Hi kids! How are you? I'm fine, and you? How are you? Hoje vamos começar a nossa aula revisando o nosso novo vocabulário. Vamos lá? Students, which animal is this? Yes, it's a cow. Vaca in English is cow. Students, what is it doing? O que ela está fazendo? What is it doing? Yes, it's eating. Eating. Now, students, which animal is this? Which animal is this? It's a horse. Very good. Cavalo in English is horse. And kids, what is it doing? Is it eating? No, it isn't. It's running. That's right. It's running. Kids, which animal are these? Which animal are these? Very good. They are ducks. Ducks. Patos in English is ducks. Okay, kids, what are they doing? What are they doing? Are they running? Eles estão correndo? Are they running? No, they aren't. Are they eating? Eles estão comendo? Are they eating? No, they aren't. So, what are they doing? They are swimming. They are swimming. Very good. Ah, and which animal is this one? Yes, it's a cat. Cat. Gato in English is cat. And what is it doing? What is it doing? Is it swimming? Ele está nadando, pessoal. Is it swimming? No, it isn't. Is it running? Ele está correndo? Is it running? No, it isn't. Is it eating? Ele está comendo? Is it eating? No, it isn't. This cat is playing. So, it's playing. What is it doing? It's playing. Ele está brincando, pessoal. It's playing. Now, look at this animal. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a dog. Cachorro in English is dog. Okay, and what is it doing? O que ele está fazendo? What is it doing? It's drinking. And what is he drinking? What is it drinking? It's drinking water. Yes, it's drinking water. Very good. This student, this is a farmer, okay? This is a farmer. And what is the farmer doing? What is the farmer doing, kids? He is sleeping. He is sleeping. Ele está dormindo. He is sleeping. Very good. Agora, pessoal, peguem os livros e abram na página 19. Page 19. Let's do the exercise number 3. Number 3. Look, listen and number. Pessoal, a gente vai ouvir a track 15, ok? Que é a faixa 15, para a gente fazer esse nosso exercício de listening. Você irá olhar as imagens, ouvir o áudio e enumerar as imagens de acordo com o áudio. Vamos lá? Kids, what do you see in these pictures? O que vocês veem nessas imagens? What do you see in these pictures? It's a dog. And what is it doing? It's playing. It's a sheep. And what is it doing? It's drinking water. It's a cow. It's a cow. And what is it doing? It's eating. It's a duck. Duck. And what is it doing? It's swimming. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. And what is he doing? He's sleeping. It's a horse. It's a horse. And what is it doing? It's running. Ok, agora ouviremos a faixa 15 para a gente fazer o exercício. Iremos ouvir a primeira vez e você pode prestar atenção no diálogo. Na segunda vez, nós iremos responder o exercício. Então preste atenção. Quando o menino disser number 1, se refere à imagem number 1. Você deve descobrir sobre quem ele está falando, animals ou farmer. E qual animal? O animal que ele estiver falando, number 1, você irá marcar o número 1 dentro do quadradinho. E assim por diante. Let's go!
1.
What's the farmer doing?
He's sleeping.
2.
What's the dog doing?
It's playing.
3.
What's the cow doing?
It's eating.
4.
What's the horse doing?
It's running.
5.
What's the sheep doing?
It's drinking.
6.
What's the duck doing?
It's swimming.
Agora, ouviremos a track 15 novamente. Se precisar, pause o vídeo para ir fazendo o exercício. Você deve colocar o número de cada imagem correspondente com o diálogo. Vamos lá. Pay attention.
1.
What's the farmer doing?
He's sleeping.
2.
What's the dog doing?
It's playing.
3.
What's the cow doing?
It's eating.
4.
What's the horse doing?
It's running.
5.
What's the sheep doing?
It's drinking.
6.
What's the duck doing?
It's swimming.
Very good! Agora vamos fazer o próximo exercício da mesma página. Exercise number 4. Look and complete. Olhe o quadrinho e complete as frases. Aqui neste quadro temos algumas palavras. São estas: drinking, eating, playing, running, sleeping and swimming. Você deve completar cada frase com a resposta correta, de acordo com o exercício que a gente acabou de fazer. Exercise number 3. Então, você vai olhar lá nas imagens e, de acordo com as imagens, você irá completar as frases. Pause o vídeo agora para fazer o exercício. Depois, dê o play novamente para que a gente possa corrigir. Okay, now let's correct. Letra A. Letter A. The farmer is sleeping. Letter B. The cow is eating. Letter C. The dog is playing. Letter D. The sheep is drinking. Letter E. The horse is running. Letter F. The duck is swimming. Very good. Excellent.